Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says if A is of order 3, okay, great. So, A is a matrix of order 3, and then these guys are commenting on finding the determinant of this. Now, what I feel is these guys have used transpose. Okay, so I will assume this matrix as this P. Okay, now I will do transpose. Why I'm getting this idea? Because they have used A transpose. That's why I'm doing transpose. Okay, so I will do transpose both sides. So P transpose equals A minus A transpose whole transpose. Okay, and in addition or subtraction it doesn't affect. Okay, directly you can transfer the transpose power. So A transpose minus A transpose transpose. So it will become A. So it is A transpose minus A. Now, if you will observe, these two things are looking different. So what I will do, I will take minus common. So we will be left with A minus A transpose. Now you know that it is P. So can I write P transpose equals minus of P? This means, can I say that this is skew symmetric matrix? Okay, so this is skew symmetric matrix. And you know that if A is of order 3, so this transpose will also be order 3 and the subtraction will also be order 3. And you also know that the determinant of skew symmetric matrix is 0. Therefore, its answer will be 0. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So, see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.